Does your outside furniture look like this? All iced out, snow, and wet? Then you need a cover. So I found this cover online. I bought the cheapest one because I just wanted to see, what is this cover about. So, it came with a pouch. And once I take it out of the pouch, it has a silver lining, which is, I believe, for waterproofing. It does a good job, preventing the water from going into the furniture. It keeps the furniture nice and dry, as long as you don't puncture any hole, or as long as it doesn't get a rip or anything like that. It doesn't get ripped on its own. If something falls on it, we'll rip it, because it is. I think it's the same fabric as as your umbrella, right? You get what you pay for, pretty much. Though it's not thick, it's thin. And it comes with these clips, snap-on clips, and it also comes with adjustment. You could make it tight or loose as you see it fit with this one. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it.